Hi guys, welcome back to another how-to video by Daniel and John, and we're faced with a problem today in a reasonably good tyre here. There's an electrical cable clip that's come in. I think it's when we've been driving in a car park out of the back of a van, it's gone in there. It's not the sidewall, so this repair process won't work for the sidewall, but it's perfectly safe for this. So we've got a kit, it's from Amazon, it's made by D&JHowTo. I'll put a link in the description. Basically it includes a spiral, they sometimes call this a reamer, and it includes a needle, and it includes these like gummy rubbery strips, and we'll just show you other tools that you'll need as well. But over to you, John.
Right, so the other tools you're going to need is a utility knife, some sort of marker pen, I'll show you why in a minute, and some either rubber cement or what we use is stick salt to coat the side of these rubber things to get a really good seal. And you'll need a pair of pliers for this one.
Yeah,
some pair of
to
pliers.
pull whatever's in there out. It might be a screw.
So there we have it there. Try. There we go, it's out. Now I'm just going to mark that up so I can see where it is. Yeah. So dispose of that safely. So that's your marker pen used. You could even use Tipp-Ex, as long as it shows up, or even the yellow felt tip pen. The next step is to deflate the tyre. Yeah. Now you can use
A little flathead screwdriver, or
probably even the thing in the kit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So get that down. We've already taken some air out for speed.
So it's enough just to do that, yeah.
And then what you would need to do, we'll do it in the opposite way round here. It's quite sticky. Never done this before.
But we thought we'd make a video in case anyone else has had this problem. Hopefully it helps you.
Take one of those off. And you thread it through there. You see, note there that it does come apart, that. You'll see why in a minute. You thread it through so it's central, like that. And what we're going to do with ours, just to make sure we get a really good seal, because I've never used this product before. Stick salt.
This is like basically a black rubber sealant, this stuff.
It's really good stuff.
If you do have rubber cement, then you can use that.
Just going to put a little
it's up
bit.
to you.
This stuff is extremely sticky, these strips, so be warned. And I would suggest, do you see what I've got? A new pair of gloves.
Yeah, a pair of gloves.
You've got washing up gloves, or doesn't have to be these, does it? Spread that along a bit. This stuff does set like cement, this stick salt as well, so it's really good stuff. So that's that bit done. That's why I've done that. I've got it ready and prepared. The next step, remove this little sheath off the end here. Hence why we need to know where it is. So I know it's there.
So what you need to do with this is go in and out a few times. It will be difficult though. You can go you can push it in and turn as you're doing it. So this is known as the spiral tool. They do also call it a reamer as well.
One hand there, one hand there.
Yeah.
When you hear something like sort of cotton ripping, you know you're through the tyre. There we go.
So this will just open up the puncture hole enough for the rubber strip to go in. There's still air coming out of it even now.
Just going to do that one more time.
Get close up to that.
Right, so that's that bit up. The other bit, with that in the centre, position the end there over the hole and push as hard as you can.
So it's about that much left on the
Yeah.
needle tool.
And then What to do is pull it out quick.
Really quick.
And that is the repair done, bar
Just tidying it up.
tidying it up. Just go careful with this when you're doing it. Don't cut too close to the tyre. You'll see that sticks. Works pretty well to seal that.
We might put a bit along it as well, mightn't we?
Yeah,
just a bit over.
The top.
You shouldn't need to though, really.
You will do. And this sticks. I think the only place I've seen this for sale recently is Amazon.
It's made by Everbuild. It's called Sticksall.
It really is good stuff.
It's just handy stuff to have if you do car
Put the
bits.
lid back on because it does.
So we'll just push that in there just to help it seal it better.
And really, that's your repair done. So
you could leave this for a few minutes, couldn't you?
yeah, it's no
And then
rush
you
to
could
it.
then re-inflate it and check for leaks.
So in this kit, you get 10 strips.
So it's 10 repairs,
You get
2 tools,
the reamer, spiral reamer,
the needle one.
the needle one. And how much was about £8?
It's about £8. You do also get instructions as well. I'll put a link in the description because there are quite a lot of tools around. You don't have to buy this one if you are wanting to do it.
But I'll just say we've got no affiliation with them, but it's worked for us, this one. So,
It's got good reviews and things.
and this is the first time we've ever done this.
Yeah, we've never done this before.
So I reckon, personally, this is a good kit to have in your glove box. Because if you've got a puncture,
Providing it's not in the sidewall. They don't recommend you use this on the sidewall, but that's okay.
it'd get you out of the tricky situation.
Yeah, it
even
would,
if
definitely
even if
would,
it's
yeah.
temporary, whatever. So let's just have a recap. What you need one of these kits, Amazon. You need a marker pen, I would say definitely. A pair of pliers or something to get it out with. A utility knife and some of this or rubber cement. That's really it. And to be honest, that was quite easy, wasn't it?
So we're going to leave this for a few minutes just for that stuff to go off, and then we're going to re-inflate it, and then we're going to check for leaks. Probably use like soapy water or something, won't
yeah,
we?
we'll just squirt some over it.
Yeah.
What I've suggested is you do need a bit of strength to get that in,
So you need to be fit.
and you need to turn it in, and then when you hear that rip, it's like something material being ripped. You know you've gone through.
That needs to go in 2 or 3 times, doesn't it? Because otherwise the needle with the rubber strip won't go in, will it?
Yeah, you realise that it's got a thread material underneath this rubber, and that's what needs to rip as well.
Like a matting inside it, yeah,
And
for strength.
Just to recap, that's how that.
Just show you that.
It's got a gap in the end.
So you can pull it off, yeah.
And that's how that works basically. It just, as you pull, that comes open and the rubber stays in there. So that's really it. Anyway, this has helped you out with a flat situation. We always appreciate new subscribers, and thumbs up be appreciated, and I hope this helps somebody if you're stuck and you've got this problem. But get one of those and stick it in your glove box. They're absolutely brilliant. Anyway, thanks for watching.